Hence, we are continuing with the grammar part. Can you explain the meaning of the following in each sentence? Here, they have given you certain sentence. In each of the sentence, the meaning will be different. How would you they feel? He wondered. Here in this sentence, here it says that how did they feel? It is giving a intention or willingness. How it would suggest here the would suggest some preference or intention or willingness. Here, coming to the next sentence, how should they feel? He wondered. Here again means that what is the right to feel from the point of appropriateness. See, or certain sentence here the words would, should, ought, must are giving different meanings. See this sentence. How must they feel? He wondered. Here, what does it means? How must they feel? He wondered. Here must means that he wondered about a view or likely expression of them. See, each of the sentence are having different meaning. See, we'll get a clear picture while we are discussing this one. The train could be on time. Here in the sentence we are saying that the train will be on time. The train will come on time. There is a possibility of coming train on time. The train should be on time. Here see the sentence. Thus there is a stressing. Like the train should be on the prompt time. The railway already has announced that we got an announcement that the train will be on time. So there is a probably the prediction that it will be surety. There will be surety. The train ought to be on time. See the next sentence. It means that the train is expected to arrive on time. The train must be on time. Again, see, these are same sentence but is different slight meanings. The train must be on time means there is an obligation, there is a rule, there is a sticking on, there is a 100% train will be on time. The train might be on time. Here again there is a possibility. The train will be punctually arriving. Okay. Likewise, here there are some other sentence. Ought. Like this. We are going with this ought in this usage of sentence. Ought is usually followed by to infinitive. Ought to go, ought to eat. Always ought is followed by to infinitive. In the negative, ought is followed by not, can be shortened to ought not to. In a negative sentence, when we are using ought, we can use ought not. See in this sentence, we will get a clear picture. I ought not give him any money. This is not a positive statement. This is a negative statement. Isn't it, students? I am not going to give him any money. This is a negative statement. So, we have to use not. Always not. And it is in the question we put front ought in the front of the subject. In front of the subject we were putting the ought not. It is in the negative case, in the negative sentence we always use ought not. Understood? Okay. Ought to feel, ought to go, ought to write. There are certain sentences. I'll give us 2-3 examples for this and rest you can write. Ought to feel. First one word was the ought to feel. You ought to feel good about it since you have cracked it already. Ought to go. These are simple sentences. You can write by your own sentence. I ought to go there as there is an emergency. Rima ought to write an article today before 9 p.m. So you can write like this. You can always also construct this with these words. Okay. You try to make the sentence. Okay. Here they have given certain sentence. There is some mistakes in this sentence. Can you find out? This is very easy. I am going to market, but Meera not. See sentence. I am going to market, but Meera is not. After Meera is should come. Is is. Because Meera is a singular, we always use singular verb. Is. You are working hard, but not your friend. You are working hard, but your friend is not. The answer will be you are working hard, but not should be there. But your friend is not. Okay. Sita is having roast chicken but the others vegetable curry. See the sentence. Sita is having roast chicken but the others are having, because the subject here it is plural are. So it should be followed by plural only. Are. Drawing and writing are good skills to learn but scrolling not so good. The answer will be drawing and learning. Drawing and writing are good skills to learn, but scrolling is not so good. But scrolling is not so good. Chennai has been marked on the map, but Rajapura, Dinanagar and Pradapet left off. Chennai has been marked on the map, but Rajapura, Dinanagar and Pradapet are left out. Are left out. Are after Pradapet are left out. Okay. If you want the answers clearly, I'll give the answers. See, I am not going to the market. Media is not. Just pause the video and just you can write down. Okay. See, find 3 types of ellipses in the story. What do you mean by ellipses? Having same meaning. It's known as ellipses. So having the same meaning, same kind of meaning or same kind of expression that we don't want to repeat once more in the sentence, what is called ellipses. Ellipses, okay? Sorry, ellipses. So, can you find out? I'll find out from the story itself. See? Brilliant human, level-headed, clever thinker. These are having a same common expression, same meaning they are giving. Brilliant human, level-headed, level thinker. If you can find one more, you can just find out. Okay. This was a very simple conversation. You can write down the simple conversation. You try to you by your own also. It is going to be longer. It is going to be a long hot summer. Yes, that's true. This is a very simple conversation. You can write by your own. I have written my own sentence. You can also write by your own. I am going to try and go up to the hill. So, what about the lunch? I have been to Ooty and Darjeeling, but never to Nainital. I would love to go there someday. So, what do you think? I have heard that it is a wonderful place for holiday. So, the other day I read an article about it in the last paper in the last week. Yes, I read it too. It was a wonderful article. Yes, true. I enjoyed reading. I am looking forward to see the place. So I think it might be a good plan to together someday. It certainly is. Let's do that. It's a very simple conversation. You can try to write your own by your own imagination. So you can, otherwise you can copy down the same. Thank you, students.